What if you could take your entire home wherever life leads? Today's portable mini houses combine smart engineering, modern design, and incredible convenience in compact spaces that are easy to transport and quick to set up. From luxury prefab cabins to innovative tiny homes built for off-grid adventures, these mobile living solutions are changing the future of housing. In this video, we'll explore the most insane mini houses you can take anywhere. Number 1. Wanda Dome. The Wanda Dome is a premium geodesic glamping dome designed for luxury outdoor accommodations, eco-resorts, campsites, and private retreats. Engineered with a high-strength galvanized steel frame and a durable PVC-coated architectural fabric cover, it provides excellent resistance to wind, rain, snow, and UV exposure for year-round use. Available in multiple sizes ranging from approximately 5 to 10 meters in diameter, the dome offers spacious interiors that can be customized with bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, lounges, and panoramic front windows for stunning outdoor views. Optional features include thermal insulation, double-glazed glass doors, ventilation systems, skylights, air conditioning, electrical wiring, solar power compatibility, and smart lighting. Its modular design allows quick installation with minimal site preparation while maintaining outstanding structural stability. Price: $800 to $500. Number 2. Diamond Elite. The Diamond Elite is a luxury modular cabin designed for premium glamping resorts, vacation rentals, and modern outdoor living. Featuring a distinctive angular design with expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls, it blends contemporary architecture with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. Built using a galvanized steel frame and high-quality insulated panels, the cabin offers exceptional durability, weather resistance, and energy efficiency for year-round use. The spacious interior can be customized with a bedroom, bathroom, kitchenette, lounge area, and smart storage solutions, creating a comfortable living environment in a compact footprint. Large double-glazed windows maximize natural light while providing excellent thermal insulation and noise reduction. Optional upgrades include air conditioning, underfloor heating, solar power compatibility, smart lighting, premium furniture packages, and integrated electrical and plumbing systems. Price: $39,900. Number 3. Luna Park Model. The Luna Park Model is a contemporary modular tiny home designed to combine modern architecture, comfort, and sustainability in a compact living space. Featuring a sleek exterior with large panoramic windows, it creates a bright, open interior while connecting occupants with the surrounding landscape. Constructed with a durable steel frame and high-performance insulated wall panels, the cabin is built for year-round use in a variety of climates. The thoughtfully designed interior can include a cozy bedroom, modern bathroom, fully equipped kitchenette, dining area, and multifunctional living space with smart storage solutions. Energy-efficient LED lighting, double-glazed windows, premium insulation, and optional solar power integration help reduce energy consumption. Additional upgrades such as air conditioning, underfloor heating, smart home controls, and custom furnishings are also available. Price: $42,500. Number 4. Element 16. The Element 16 is a modern prefab cabin designed to deliver premium comfort, contemporary style, and efficient use of space for year-round living. Featuring a sleek, minimalist design with expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, it creates a bright and open interior while offering beautiful panoramic views. Built with a high-strength galvanized steel frame and insulated structural panels, the cabin provides outstanding durability, weather resistance, and energy efficiency. Its intelligently planned layout includes a spacious bedroom, modern bathroom, fully equipped kitchenette, comfortable living area, and ample storage, making it ideal for vacation rentals, glamping resorts, guest houses, or private retreats. Standard features include double-glazed windows, LED lighting, premium insulation, integrated electrical and plumbing systems, and optional upgrades such as air conditioning, smart home controls, solar power compatibility, and underfloor heating. Price: $48,000. Number 5. Harlosh Black Cabin. The Harlosh Black Cabin is a striking modern prefab cabin designed for luxury retreats, off-grid escapes, and contemporary outdoor living. Inspired by Scandinavian architecture, it features a sleek black exterior, clean lines, and expansive floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the interior with natural light while offering breathtaking panoramic views. Constructed with a durable galvanized steel frame and premium insulated timber panels, the cabin is engineered for year-round comfort in a variety of climates. The thoughtfully designed interior includes a spacious bedroom, stylish bathroom, modern kitchenette, cozy living area, and built-in storage, maximizing functionality within a compact footprint. Standard features include double-glazed windows, LED lighting, high-performance insulation, integrated plumbing and electrical systems, and energy-efficient ventilation. Optional upgrades such as air conditioning, underfloor heating, solar power compatibility, smart home controls, and premium furniture packages further enhance comfort. Price: $55,000. Number 6. Cabin Anna. The Cabin Anna is an award-winning transformable tiny house that redefines modern outdoor living through innovative architecture and sustainable design. Created with movable sliding walls and a retractable roof system, it allows homeowners to open the cabin to nature or fully enclose it for maximum comfort and privacy. Constructed from sustainably sourced timber, aluminum, and high-performance insulated glass, Cabin Anna is designed for year-round living while maximizing natural light and energy efficiency. The interior features a spacious bedroom, elegant bathroom, modern kitchen, dining area, and cozy living space with minimalist Scandinavian styling. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views while premium insulation, double glazing, and natural ventilation maintain a comfortable indoor climate. Price: $185,000. Number 7. Cabin Jude. The Cabin Jude is a contemporary prefab tiny home designed to deliver modern comfort, elegant architecture, and efficient use of space for year-round living. Featuring a minimalist exterior with clean lines and expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, it creates a bright, open atmosphere while offering beautiful views of the surrounding landscape. Built with a durable galvanized steel frame and high-performance insulated panels, the cabin provides excellent weather resistance, energy efficiency, and long-term durability. The thoughtfully designed interior includes a comfortable bedroom, stylish bathroom, fully equipped kitchenette, cozy living area, and built-in storage, making it ideal for glamping resorts, vacation rentals, backyard guest houses, or private retreats. Standard features include double-glazed windows, LED lighting, premium thermal insulation, integrated electrical and plumbing systems, and energy-efficient ventilation. Price: $49,500. Number 8. Clerestory. The Clerestory is a modern prefab cabin designed to maximize natural light, energy efficiency, and contemporary living through its distinctive high-level clerestory windows. These elevated windows flood the interior with daylight while maintaining privacy and improving natural ventilation, creating a bright and spacious atmosphere. Built with a durable steel frame and premium insulated wall panels, the cabin is engineered for year-round comfort and long-lasting performance. The thoughtfully planned interior includes a comfortable bedroom, modern bathroom, fully equipped kitchenette, open living area, and smart storage solutions, making it ideal for vacation rentals. glamping resorts, guest houses, or full-time compact living. Standard features include double-glazed windows, LED lighting, energy-efficient insulation, integrated plumbing and electrical systems, and high-quality finishes. Price $62,000. Number 9. Custom Tiny Home. The Custom Tiny Home is a fully personalized prefab house designed to combine modern comfort, energy efficiency, and flexible living in a compact footprint. Built with a high-strength steel frame and premium insulated panels, it offers exceptional durability, weather resistance, and year-round performance. Every aspect of the home can be customized, including the floor plan, exterior finishes, interior decor, kitchen layout, bathroom design, and smart storage solutions to match individual needs. The spacious interior may include 1 or 2 bedrooms, a modern bathroom, a fully equipped kitchen, a cozy living area, and large panoramic windows that maximize natural light and outdoor views. Standard features include double-glazed windows, LED lighting, integrated plumbing and electrical systems, high-performance insulation, and energy-efficient ventilation. Optional upgrades include solar power, battery storage, smart home automation, air conditioning, underfloor heating, premium appliances, and luxury furniture packages. Price $75,000. Number 10. Drop Structure. The Drop Structure is a premium modular prefab cabin designed to combine modern architecture, sustainability, and luxury living in a compact, efficient space. Built with a precision-engineered steel frame and high-performance insulated panels, it delivers exceptional durability, energy efficiency, and year-round comfort. Its sleek minimalist exterior is complemented by expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls that fill the interior with natural light while providing panoramic outdoor views. The intelligently designed layout includes a spacious bedroom, stylish bathroom, fully equipped kitchen, comfortable living area, and smart built-in storage, making it ideal for full-time living, vacation homes, glamping resorts, boutique hotels, or backyard guest houses. Standard features include double-glazed windows, LED lighting, premium insulation, integrated plumbing and electrical systems, and energy-efficient ventilation. Price $95,000. Thanks for watching. Which portable mini-house would you love to own? Share your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tiny homes, camping innovations, and future living ideas. See you next time.